Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this chicken roll. So I'm using the stuffing of egg also, so that's why it is called chicken egg roll also. So I'm using full of vegetables, egg and chicken, so this is very healthy roll. So please try this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please hit my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it guys. You can follow me on Twitter also. You can like my Facebook page also, Damini's Kitchen. The link is given in description. So you can see that the stuffing is very tasty and it is very easy to cook. You can make it at your home. So that contain the vegetables, and some of the vegetables are optional. You can add or you can use or not if you want. So please download my app Damini's Kitchen. Link is given in description, and like my Facebook page. And guys, please subscribe my channel for the latest update and press the notification bell. Let's start making it. And guys, I'm requesting please watch the video till guys. Here are the ingredients for making this chicken roll. I'm using the coating of egg also, so that's why you can call it chicken egg roll. So firstly, for vegetables, I have taken some sliced capsicum, tomatoes, some thin sliced of onions, one egg, some fresh coriander leaves, vinegar, tomato ketchup, eggless mayonnaise, some chaat masala for sprinkling, and I have taken this chicken which I have made before. You can check my recipe of making this chicken also. And this is some pickle that is made up of carrots, radish and cauliflower. You can check this recipe of making the pickle, mixed pickle also. Here I have knit this flour, and I have shared the recipe of kneading this flour also in one video. You can check the recipe of that also. I have made this from the simple wheat flour, so you can make it as you make your chapati. So knit this flour as you are using for the chapatis also. So if you want this, so check my recipe of making this kneading of the flour. First of all, take a separate bowl and add the onions and sliced capsicum into a bowl, and add some vinegar, approximately 1 tablespoon into it, and I will marinate it into the vinegar for approximately 15 to 20 minutes so that they will look and taste more tastier. So let's start making it. First of all, I am making this chapati roll. So first of all, take a large ball from this flour and add some wheat flour for dusting and keep it aside. Make the large chapati from this. So quickly I will make the chapati. Now guys, you can see that I have made the chapati round and big, and the chapati should be as thin as possible. Now flip it like this so that the wheat dust flour will remove. So firstly quickly remove the dust, and now heat the griddle properly. I have preheated it, and now I'm adding some butter over it so that my chapati will cook properly. So when the pan is heated, or you can use non-sticky for making this. So once it is properly heated, now add the butter and lower the flame. Now I will make the chicken roll on the lower flame. Spread it all over the full griddle so that according to the size of your chapati, so that our chicken roll will properly use this. Now I'm taking the roll that I have made before, and now I'm adding it on the tawa. Now once it will start boiling, then I'm adding the egg over it. I'm using 1 egg for the one roll. You can use 2 or more eggs also. And now spread it over all. You can add salt and some red chili powder to it, because I have the salt and red chili powder in my chicken also, and because that's why I'm adding just little salt in it. Now spread this all over the chapati so that it will properly mix. I can make it without the egg also, or without the chicken, with chicken only, but I'm making it with egg because it will look and taste more tastier when we make the chicken roll with the egg. Now we need to flip it. Be careful. You need to cook it from both sides properly so that the eggs gets cooked properly. Now I think I need to increase the flame. Once this will cook, I will make the another chapati. For the second chicken roll, I am making the another chapati once it is cooked. Side by side you need to check it. Now it is cooked. Now I am serving it in this plate. Now what to do? Firstly, you need to add the tomato ketchup and the mayonnaise over it. Firstly, I am spreading some tomato ketchup and mayonnaise. You can use green sauce also. So add the sauce and then add the mayonnaise. Then cover it with the help of this spoon. See that it is very tasty and easy recipe of making the chicken roll. It is very simple. You can make it at your home. And if you like this recipe, guys, please get my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it, guys. You can follow me on Twitter also, and you can like my Facebook page also, Damini's Kitchen. Link is given in description. So once I have made this, now I'm adding some pickle. So I'm adding the layer of pickle here. And I'm using the carrots and radish. You can use grated carrots also. And then at the last, I need to take this boneless chicken pieces and I need to spread it over the paratha in the middle like this. It will taste more and more tastier if you add this chicken in your egg roll. So you can make the egg roll in the similar way. If you have not chicken, then you can make the egg roll in the similar way that I have shared the recipe of chicken rolls. You can check my that recipe also. Now I am adding the onions and the capsicums that I have marinated into the vinegar. So now what is left? Some fresh coriander leaves and some tomatoes. And at the last, I'm adding some tomatoes here. And now for the serving garnishing, I'm adding some onions and some peppers at the front and at the back also. It will look and taste more tastier if you add this. So now be careful and roll it like this here, from this and from the one side also. Now you can see that it is ready to eat, and you can cut down into two halves like this with the help of a spoon and serve it with the sauce and some more green sauce and some red sauce. You can as you want. So if you like this recipe, please hit my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it, guys. You can follow me on Twitter also. You can like my Facebook page also, and guys, please download my app Damini's Kitchen also. Link is given in description. So please download that app to directly access to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.